Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the exercise questions, and first chapter and second chapter also completed. Today, our topic is fiber to fabric. Fiber to fabric. So today, what is our topic? The third topic is fiber to fabric. Fiber to fabric. Okay, today I am going to discuss about the fiber to fabrics. Before going to the topic, what do you know about the fibers or fabric? Did you hear this word? Generally, for human in general life, we need the food. We need the food and water and air. These are the primary requirements of human beings. What are the primary requirements? Food we can eat, water we can drink, and air, we can breathe with air. And not only these three, we need the next one, clothes. We need the next one, clothes. We require the primary requirements is of food, water, air. With this, we require the clothes. If you have money means, what you will do? You will go to the shop and you will buy the clothes. For suppose your birthday is come means, you will go to the shop. Before that, you will buy the clothes. Yes or no? So clothes. Next our requirement is a clothes. Okay. For suppose if you go to the shop for buying any clothes, any dress material, you can notice various fabrics in their surroundings. Okay. For suppose if you go to the shop with your mother or dad, if you notice various fabrics in your surroundings, you can find that bed sheets, blankets, curtains, tablecloths, towels and dusters were made from different kinds of fabrics. Bed sheets, blankets, curtains, tablecloths, towels and dusters were made from different kinds of fabrics. Even your school bags and the gunny bags were made from some kind of fabric. Even your school bags and the gunny bags were made from some kind of fabric. Now try to identify these fabrics as cotton, wool, silk or synthetic. Cotton, wool, silk or synthetic. Can you identify some fabrics? Which is a cotton, which is a wool, and which is a silk, and which is a synthetic cloths. Once you have to observe, or you can ask your mother, synthetic cloths is different and natural cloths is different. Natural fibers and synthetic fibers is there. Okay. In this chapter, we will discuss about the synthetic fibers and natural fibers also. Okay. So we require the cloths also. Cloths will give the dignity to the human. Yes or no? If you wear the good clothes means, it will be give the dignity to you. Clothes will give the dignity, and with clothes we can protect our body. With clothes we can protect our body from the sun or from the rain. Different uses is there. Cloth not only protect our body, it will be give the dignity to you. Okay. For suppose if you go the cloth shop, if you go the market to buy any cloth, so suppose if you go the shop, cloth shop, if you go the cloth shop, you can notice various fabrics in your surroundings. Various fabrics in your surroundings. They found that bed sheets, blankets, you can found that bed sheets, blankets, curtains, tablecloths, towels, and dusters. For suppose, if you go the cloth shop, you can notice various fabrics in your surroundings. You can find that bed sheets, blankets, curtains, tablecloths, towels, and dusters. These were made from different kinds of fabrics. These were made from different kinds of fabrics. Even their school bags, even your school bags and the gunny bags were made from some kind of fabrics. Okay, once you have to observe your school bags and gunny bags were made from different kind of fabric. You can try to identify these fabrics as cotton, wool, silk, or synthetic. You can try to identify these fabrics as cotton, wool, silk, or synthetic. Okay, you can identify some fabrics, which is the wool, which is the cotton, which is the silk. Okay.